Hey second grade, this is Miss Farmer with your second reading video for the week. If you go to the weekly overview that your teacher sent you this week, find Thursday and click on the reading passage. This passage is called the uninvite. So if we invite someone somewhere, we're wanting them to come over or to come do something with us. If we uninvite them, that means we're canceling that. We don't want that to happen anymore. You're going to read this passage, and we are still focusing on making inferences this week. One thing that I like to do before I read a passage is I like to read the 3 questions that go along with the passage so that my brain knows exactly what it is I need to be looking for. Remember, we are going to be underlining the evidence, which shows us and your teachers how you knew the answers to the questions. Okay, so if we look at question number 2, it says, why do you think Allie smiled? So you're going to use a crayon and underline the answer or your evidence on how you knew or why you think that Allie smiled. When you're finished doing this reading passage, make sure you send your answers to your teacher just by sending a picture. Remember, you do not need to print this off. You can just do it right off of your computer and write the answers somewhere else. And you can write down the evidence instead of underlining the evidence if you are not going to print this off. Remember, if we go back to the weekly overview, make sure you're working on 30 minutes of math work, like working on Zern or your math packet. You can work on Lexia or your reading packet, and you can choose to read a book of your choice.